Kia ora and welcome back to ShaqTravels. Dreaming of exploring New Zealand's epic mountains and breathtaking landscapes, but not sure where to start with hiking? You're in luck. Today, we're lacing up our boots to discover the top 5 beginner-friendly day hikes in New Zealand that offer absolutely jaw-dropping views without needing to be an expert mountaineer. These trails are all about maximum scenic reward for manageable effort. So, let's get straight into it. First up, at number 5, we have the Blue Pools Walk near Makarora in Mount Aspiring National Park. Imagine a gentle stroll through mature beech and podocarp forest, leading you to swing bridges suspended over impossibly clear, turquoise glacial waters. The vibrant blue colour of the pools is truly mesmerising, with the backdrop of lush native bush. It's a relatively short and incredibly rewarding walk, perfect for a refreshing stop and some stunning photos. Remember, it's all about enjoying the journey and the stunning New Zealand hiking experience. Coming in at number 4 is a beautiful section of the Abel Tasman coast track, Marahau to Anchorage. Picture this, an easy trail that meanders along golden sand beaches, past crystal clear turquoise bays, and through lush coastal forest. You might even spot some local wildlife. This track is ideal for those who love sea breezes and idyllic beach views. It's a relatively gentle walk with options for a water taxi one way, proving that you don't need a strenuous trek to find those wow moments and amazing coastal views. For our third pick, we're heading to the adventure capital, Queenstown, for the Queenstown Hill Time Walk. This hike is fantastic for an overview of the area, offering a steady climb through pine forest to an elevation that rewards you with absolutely breathtaking panoramic views over Lake Wakatipu, the Remarkables mountain range, Cecil Peak and Walter Peak. The information plaques along the way also tell the story of Queenstown's past, adding an interesting touch to your scenic reward. These accessible trails make New Zealand's beauty easy to reach. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the world-renowned Lake Matheson Walk on the west coast, near Fox Glacier. This trail is celebrated for its stunning mirror reflections of New Zealand's highest peaks, Aoraki, Mount Cook and Mount Tasman, in the dark, tranquil waters of the lake. The loop track is mostly flat and takes you through ancient native rainforest to several viewing platforms. For the best reflections, aim for a calm dawn or dusk. This is New Zealand hiking at its most serene and picturesque, designed for you to soak in the grandeur of the South Island with ease. And finally, our number 1 beginner-friendly day hike in New Zealand with jaw-dropping views is the incredible Hooker Valley track in Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park. This trail is celebrated for its accessibility and the truly spectacular alpine scenery it offers from start to finish. Imagine walking along a well-maintained path, crossing swing bridges over the roaring Hooker River, passing iceberg-studded Muller Lake, and ending with a stunning view of the Hooker Glacier and the majestic face of Aoraki, Mount Cook itself. It's an achievable dream for any aspiring hiker looking for those incredible mountain and glacier views. So there you have it. 5 incredible and specific day hikes in New Zealand that are perfect for beginners, but deliver views that even seasoned trekkers would envy. It's proof that exploring New Zealand's stunning outdoors and its easy trails can be for everyone. Which of these hikes, the Blue Pools, Abel Tasman, Queenstown Hill, Lake Matheson, or Hooker Valley, will you add to your list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ShaqTravels for more adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey. Until then, happy trails!